If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident in Detroit, Michigan, the Sam Bernstein Law Firm can help. At the Sam Bernstein Law Firm, you'll be represented by a team of experienced attorneys who are dedicated to fighting for the compensation you deserve. Our attorneys understand that after a slip and fall, you're both physically and emotionally hurt. We'll work hard to make sure your rights and interests are protected to the fullest extent. We know that slip and fall accidents can be incredibly serious and overwhelming. That's why you need experienced representation from an attorney who understands the law. We'll investigate your case thoroughly, and get to the bottom of what happened. We'll look into all the facts, and talk to any witnesses or experts involved. You need an attorney who can fight for you and ensure that you get the compensation you deserve for medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. The Sam Bernstein Law Firm is here to provide that legal help. Our team of experienced attorneys will work hard to make sure your rights are protected. We understand the trauma and pain that you've been through, and we're here to make sure that your future is secure. If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident, contact the Sam Bernstein Law Firm today for a free consultation. How long after a fall can you make a claim? The amount of time you have to file a lawsuit is often determined by your state's statute of limitations. The deadline varies depending on the state. While slip and fall victims may only have 1 year in some jurisdictions to submit their claim, they may have up to 6 years in others to begin their personal injury lawsuit. Can you sue for accident in Michigan? In order to file a claim against the at-fault driver in Michigan for pain and suffering compensation, the injured driver must first be able to demonstrate that there has been a serious impairment of body function. Can you sue for pain and suffering in Michigan? If you were involved in an automobile accident in Michigan, you have 3 years from the date of the collision to file a negligence claim against the at-fault driver and seek pain and suffering compensation. The at-fault driver must be at least partially to blame. You must demonstrate that you have a serious impairment of body function in order to be awarded these damages. Where is the Sam Bernstein Law Firm in Michigan located? We are located at 1538 Center Street, Suite 250, Detroit, Michigan 48226. Our phone number is 800-225-5726. Visit our website, www.callsam.com/Detroit-personal-injury-attorneys.